Hello everyone, once again this is Shani Ali Khan and we have already completed this one is fourth class. So what we have completed in other three classes. So first we have completed tense. What is tense only? Okay, then after we have completed subject, then after we have completed object, helping verb, main verb, supporting verb, auxiliary verbs, and different forms of verb. Then after we have completed parts of his speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective and all. And then after we have completed yesterday sentence and their types. So guys, sentence has two different parts. Okay, first one is a subject and second the rest one is a predicate, just like Ram is a boy. So Ram is the subject and the rest one is boy is a predicate. Okay, this one I have left in yesterday's video, and thank you for reminding me. One of my student has reminded yesterday, so that's why I'm just here telling you all about. And now in this class what we have to study, we have to study about present tense only. Okay, present tense, and not like just present continuous, present perfect continuous, then after simple present, not like that. Okay, we have 10 structure of present tense here. So first structure, and what is it defining right now? So first one is a subject plus is, am, are plus verb fourth form ing words and plus object. So what is this telling about here? Work is going on continuously in present time. I'm repeating once more. Work is going on continuously in present time. Just as we have example over here. C is drawing a map. Is C drawing a map? C is not drawing a map. Isn't C drawing a map? You are reading novel, dogs are barking, it is raining heavily. So note, you have to note it down one thing here. To make a question, we have to keep auxiliary verbs first in the sentence when we are making a question. Okay, then after second structure, subject plus is, am, are plus being plus V3 verb third form plus object. Are you getting me? It's the second structure of present tense. And what we have to do in this here, work is being done by someone. Work is being done by someone continuously in present time. Just like example, students are being taught. Are students being taught? Students are not being taught. Aren't students being taught? A match is being played, a thief is being beaten, the door is being opened. So there are a lot of examples, and you have to also make some of the examples in comment box. And then after we have third structure. And what is third structure? Subject plus is, am, are plus verb third form plus object. We are not using being here. Okay, just like here, work is done by someone. Work is done by someone in present time. And before what we have told, when we are using being, work is being done by someone continuously, but here work is done by someone in present time. Just as example, English is spoken everywhere in the world. English is not spoken everywhere in the world. Is English spoken everywhere in the world? Isn't English spoken everywhere in the world? The blind are helped by all. Grammar is taught. Dogs are detested. Okay, now we have fourth structure. So what is fourth structure? Subject plus is, am, are plus no verb. Okay, just like it shows the position. It shows the position of a thing or a person. Noun, adjective, etc. He is a politician. Is he a politician? He isn't politician. Isn't he a politician? Okay, next we have a lot of example here. You are a doctor, they are thieves, I am a teacher. So this comes under the structure of subject plus is, am, are plus with no verb. Okay, fifth structure, subject plus verb first form or verb fifth form. This one you can say present, simple present, or present simple present tense, or present indefinite you can say. Subject plus V1 V5 plus object. Here work is done in daily. Here work is done on daily routine, you can say daily routine in a present time. Remember that, in a present time. Just like how can we use V1 and V5? So V1 we have to use V1 with I, you, we, they, plural nouns, and V5 we have to use with he, she, it, name, singular noun. Just like Ram plays cricket, you play cricket, Sita sings a song, we sing a song. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and now we have a lot of example here, so let me clear all. She goes to church on Sundays. Does she go to church on Sundays? Then after question mark also. She doesn't go to church on Sundays. Doesn't she go to church on Sundays? And then after we have many examples, and you can make many examples from your side also. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The Thames flows through London. She takes breakfast at 8 a.m. We love our country. Do we love our country? We don't love our country. Don't we love our country? The parents love me. Are you getting me? They come here daily. Boys read book. Okay. And then after we have sixth structure here. So what is sixth structure? So subject plus do, does plus V1 plus object. Just like here the work shows emphasis. The work shows emphasis means to say that work is emphasis means you can say strongly. The work is doing strongly. Okay, and just as we have example, Sachin does play well. Does Sachin play well? Sachin does not play well. Doesn't Sachin play well? I do desire to become a doctor. I desire to become a doctor. So this one is very simple. I do desire means I am just strongly agree with that. We do live in India. We live in India. It's simple. We do live in India. So we can say it's a subject plus do, does plus V1 plus object. The work shows emphasis. Then after we have a structures number 7. Oh my god, sorry to say. Subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. Here the work has just finished. The work has just finished, but its effect is still present. Just like we have example, she has purchased a PC. You have done breakfast. Has she purchased PC? She hasn't purchased PC. Hasn't she purchased ed, okay, PC. She has invited me. I have written an application. They have cheated us. So these are examples, and you have to make more and more examples in comment box. Okay, next after number 8, subject plus has, have plus been plus V3 verb third form plus object. Here the work had just been done. The work had just been done or finished by someone in present time. Just like we have example, they have been defeated by us. Have they been defeated by us? Are you getting me? They have been defeated by us. Have they been defeated by us? So and then after I am telling you positive, negative, interrogative, negative. They haven't been defeated by us. Haven't they been defeated by us? The criminal has shot dead. Meal has been cooked. Roads have been repaired. And next we have number 9 and the most important, subject plus has, have plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since or for plus object, where we have to use since for the point of time and for the period of time. Okay, just as an example, here the work started in the past. The work started in the past and is still continuing. Okay, so since where we have to use since, just like since Monday, since January, since childhood, and for 2 hours, for 3 months. So a period of time we have to use for, and point of time we have to use since. Okay, and we have a lot of example here. I'm gonna just show you. It has been raining since morning. Has it been raining since morning? It hasn't been raining since morning. Hasn't it been raining since morning. Since morning, okay, because we are discussing about the point of time, morning, evening. So this is a point of time. And then after we have number of examples. You have been eating for 2 hours. I have been reading since 4 o'clock. They have been living in Patna for 5 years. And then last but not the least, number 10th structure in present. Now I'm just going to end this present tense here only. Subject plus has, have plus object only. So here possession. Here possession is shown in present time. You can say possession, possession, okay, whatever its pronunciation, I didn't get right now. So you have a client. Do you have a client? You don't have a client. Don't you have a client? He has political source. The farmer has a pair of oxen. She has 4 sons. Okay, so I have completed the whole present tense with 10 structure, not like that present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, not like that. I am here teaching you the 10th different structures what we have to use and how we have to make a sentence, proper sentence in present time. So that's all about today's class, and we will meet tomorrow. And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please like this video and share. If possible, you can share this video to all the people. It will be definitely help many people all across the world. Thank you so much for watching this video.